Seven shocking facts about CAT MBA exam which you never knew. First one, 50% of the marks can give you 99 percentile. Shocking but true. In CAT, scoring just 40 to 55% of the raw marks, around 88 to 95 marks, can fetch you a 99 percentile. That's because the exam is relative and percentile based, not absolute. Each year, only a few hundreds out of 2 plus lakh students are able to cross that mark. Second point, over 2.9 lakhs aspirants, less than 0.1% get into IIM Ahmedabad. In CAT 2024, 2.93 lakhs candidates appeared for the exam. Total of 3.29 lakh students actually registered for the exam. IIM Ahmedabad has around 400 seats for PGP. That selection rate of less than 0.14%, more competitive than the Ivy League colleges or even the UPSC. Third point would be CAT scores are valid only up to 1 year, unlike GMAT, which is for 5 years, or GRE, which is again for 5 years. CAT scores are just valid for 1 year. If you don't use this score in the same admission cycle, it's useless the next year. You must retake it the next time. The fourth point would be CAT is not just IIMs. Over 1200 B schools accept it. Many students think that CAT is equal to IIMs, but actually, over 1200 B schools across India use CAT scores, including prestigious colleges like FMS Delhi, MDI Gurgaon, SP Jain, IIT's MBA program, etc. The fifth point would be there are only about 5,500 total IIM seats. Across 21 IIMs, the total number of MBA/PGP seats would be around 5,500 to 6,000. That's just 2% of the CAT aspirants. For some new IIMs, even a 90 to 92 percentile is enough. But for top IIMs like the ABC, LIK, you often need 98 to 100 percentile. The sixth point would be CAT doesn't just test your math and English, it tests your pressure handling. The adaptive difficulty, tight time limits, only 40 minutes per section, and non MCQs make it a test of strategy and not just knowledge. Many 90 plus percentile scorers attempt only 50 to 60% of the questions strategically. The seventh point would be even a 100 percentiler may not get a call from IIM Ahmedabad. IIMs have a complex criteria for work experience, academic diversity, gender diversity, past academic records, 10th and 12th graduation. A male engineer with a 100 percentile in CAT, but average past academic might not get a call, while a female non-engineer with around 97, 96 percentile might get a call. It's not just about CAT score, profile matters a lot. If you really like the video, guys, please hit the like button. Thank you so much.